When the gates open, please step carefully into the car in front of you. Please place all loose articles, including hats, purses, packages, stuffed animals, and cameras, to your right, beyond the yellow area. If you're wearing eyeglasses, please remove them and put them in a secure place, such as a pocket or purse. Once you are seated, pull the lap bar toward you, and please remember to keep your hands and arms inside the car at all times. Riders, please prepare for launch. Place your head against the headrest behind you and hold on to the handrail in front of you.
Clear, dispatch.
Thank you for riding Montezooma's Revenge. Please step out of the car to your right, collect all loose articles, and exit directly down the stairs. When the gates open, please step carefully into the car in front of you. Please place all loose articles, including hats, purses, packages, stuffed animals, and cameras, to your right, beyond the yellow area. If you're wearing eyeglasses, please remove them and put them in a secure place, such as a pocket or purse. Once you are seated, pull the lap bar toward you, and please remember to keep your hands and arms inside the car at all times.
Clear, dispatch.
Thank you for riding Montezoma's Revenge. Please step out of the car to your right, collect all loose articles, and exit directly down the stairs.